Hello guys, here is I have iPad Air 3 third generation, and you can see screen is cracked, LCD also cracked. So I'm gonna show you how to replace the screen. So this screen already lifting up a little bit, so you have to remove rest of the thing. You just need to apply heat and lifting up. So left side is already lifting up because frame is bent. We have to unbend it, and right side is we have to lifting up. Yeah, we are almost lifting up here. And this screen is a screen connection on middle side, and other iPad is screen connection on left side or corner, but this one is on middle, so you have to just pull it up on middle side. You can see just middle of that. There is the connection on middle of that. So there is two screw, you have to remove it and remove the plate top of the connection. We remove the plate. Now we have to remove the four connection, and two we just remove it, and other two is already removed. So there is four connection. Now we have to remove the battery connection because we cannot turn off the iPad, so we have to remove the battery connection because it's already iPad is already on. So with the plastic we just lifting up. This side is hard, this side also hard, this side is easy to lifting up. So yeah, we just lifting up a little bit, and battery is disconnected now. Now we're gonna clean the side, all side. Make sure there is no broken glass. We have to clean nicely. Yeah, we clean nicely. Now we're gonna remove the home button from old screen. Remove this tape. Then we're gonna remove the connection. And there are a little bit glue. We just lift it slowly. Now we have to apply some heat behind the iPad. So there is this side and this side we have to hit. So we have to remove the home button. Done with the heat. Now just remove this panel. It's easy to remove it. Yeah, now we remove the home button. There is new screen. We have to put it back, but there is plastic is missing, so we have to remove this plastic too. We have to apply some glue before we put the plastic. Make sure it is on center. And leave it 2 minutes. Make sure it's dry. You're done 2 minutes. Now we're gonna put it back top of that again, little bit glue, and we're gonna put it back. We're gonna install the home button now. And we're gonna connect the home button now. Just press a little bit here, and now we're gonna connect the home button connection. With the tweezer, just push it in and lock it. Now I'm gonna put back this plastic tape. Now we're gonna see, make sure his home button is clicking or not. Just press it a little bit. After that, we're gonna try is make sure it's clicking. Yes, it's clicking. Yes, it's clicking nicely. If it's not clicking, you have to make a center top of the home button the plastic thing. So now it's clicking, we are good. Now we're gonna apply some heat. So previous plastic one has a glue on it, it's gonna be melted and it's gonna be sticky. Yeah, just a little bit slide it down, so it's gonna be sticky more. Now we're gonna wait like 2-3 minutes. If it's cooled down, it's gonna be more sticky, that home button. Yeah, now it's clicking nicely. Yeah, now it's not moving. So here install the home button. Now we're gonna install this screen on the motherboard. So there is a little bit hard to install the screen connection. So we're gonna remove a little bit connection because there is just glue. So we just remove a little bit. So easy to connect the connection. Yeah, we just lifting up a little bit, and these two connections we lifting up all the way. Yeah, now easy to connect to the motherboard. Yeah, two already connected, and another two connection we have to connect it. We are done for connection. Now we're gonna install the screw, battery screw. Now we're gonna put this plate. This plate hold the all connection. Yes, it's nicely connected. Now we're gonna check the screen, make sure it's working properly. Let me turn on the iPad. Yes, it's turning on. It's turning on. Now we check the screen, make sure it's working. Home button also working. Yeah, screen is working nicely. Now we're gonna remove this glue tape, top paper. Remove it. Now we're gonna put extra glue. It's better because sometimes whatever comes with the screen is not sticky that much. So if you put extra glue is better. This is sticky more. So now we're gonna install the screen finally. Make sure it's on center. Yeah, we install the screen nicely. Now we're gonna clip on 2-3 hours. After that we're gonna remove it. That's all right now, and let me know how you guys like it, and thank you for watching.